Get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. So it could be so nice growing old with you. And I would help you in any way I could. I thought it was gonna be me and you and be good, but it turns out you're not the one to grow old with me. And I'd need you to be with me, but it turns out fate had other plans. I wish you could be here with me, but I don't really think you fucking get